Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw naira from Binance app. As you know, Binance delisted naira from P2P trading, and that means you cannot deposit, you cannot withdraw from Binance to your naira account directly. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit, withdraw, and do every transaction as you have been doing. I'm going to show you an alternative ways through which you can do this. This is an Binance P2P, and this is naira. As you can see, there is no naira again. The naira have been delisted from Binance P2P. So I'm going to show you an alternative means through which you can deposit to Binance app, withdraw, and do all the transaction as normal. So let's move on to the next session. The app we are going to use is called Bybit. Bybit Exchange is one of the top exchange, just like Binance. You can use it to trade, you can use it to do feature trading, spot trading, P2P trading, and a lot of and many more. So just like in Binance app, you need to register, verify your account, and then before you can start trading. In case you don't have a Bybit exchange account, I will leave a link below so that you can use it to register and verify your account and start trading on this exchange. So let me show you how to deposit, how you can use the P2P. So click on this more, it will show you more functions. So you click on P2P trading. The P2P trading is the same thing as Binance P2P trading. So as you can see here is buy USD. You can buy, use your naira to buy USDT, and you can also sell. If you have USDT and you want to sell, you can sell here. So if you have USDT in your Binance account and you want to send it to your Nigeria account, all you need to do is to register on this Bybit. Then you transfer USDT to Bybit or Bybit wallet, and you come over here to sell the USDT. It will now the person will now deposit to your naira account, just like the same thing we do in Binance. So as you can see today, the rate today is 1,488 naira 9 kobo. That's the rate you will get, assuming you have 100 $150. You want to sell $150. As we want to sell $150, this is $150. I don't have up to $150 in my wallet, so you can also use this payment method is bank transfer, as you can see it here. So if you want to buy at the same thing, you want to buy, you have naira in your account and want to buy USDT to send to your Binance account, or you want to use it here in Bybit, all you need to do is click on the buy, and it will take you, show you, select any buyer you like. You click on the buy, then you send USDT, you send naira to his account, and the person will release USDT to you. If you want to buy 10,000 naira, so if 10,000 naira, you say maximum exceeded 2 USDT 500. So you calculate everything for you. So that is the alternative you can use to deposit and withdraw money from your Binance. So the best option is that you come to Bybit Exchange, you register with the link I will leave to you. You register with the link, verify your account. After you have done that, then you can send money USDT from your Binance account to your Bybit, and from your Bybit account you can withdraw it direct to your naira account, or you can use Bybit P2P to do deposit anyone you want it. Thank you so much, and please subscribe.